Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Last week, did you miss us? We weren't there for the map. We had some technical difficulties. You know that little button that you hit record? I did remember to hit record. I didn't remember to hit stop. Oh, I guess you have to do both before you get a recording. Sorry about that. So we're going to replay our subject this week. So we'll just do a quick reminder today on the compass of where we were, what we were hoping to do last week for our map session. Then come on back tomorrow for the map that we promised you last week. Thank you. Victoria?
Yes. So I was talking about plotters versus pantsers, how to tell which one you are, and then how to take things from the other camp that might help you on your writing journey. So we will dive back into plotters, pantsers, and everything in between when we get to the map tomorrow.
And thank you so much. And I was talking about self-assessment, which is one of the balance traits, which means you can get out of whack in one of two directions. And the self-assessment group has to do with understanding your own giftedness and your own role in your situation. Humility has to do with understanding what was handed to you, what were your gifts that were just given to you, and what were the situations you were just dumped into without it being your fault. Whereas honesty has to do with owning up to yourself with what part did I play in the conflict? What part did I play in the problem that's coming up? Or even being open and honest to being able to accept that, maybe I did do okay. Both sides, because you can fall off the balance in either direction, either saying, little me, I couldn't have contributed anything of worth. And you could fall off the balance on the other side saying, well, I know there were 5 other people who were on the team, but it was really my doing, of course. So like all balance traits, we'll dive into it a little more deeply so you can understand both sides. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Yeah.